Yeah, so I'll be showing you how to print checks online for free. Now you can use these checks for mobile deposit. So it's pretty simple. You want to go to the website to see. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So this is a sample of what the check will look like. So yeah, this is what the check will look like on A4 paper. So now let's get to the practical aspect of this tutorial. So you basically go to that website, you'll be seeing the link in the description, and then you open the homepage. This is the homepage, obviously. Now, here you put in the bank information for the check. So I'm not encouraging fraud. Quick disclaimer: you are supposed to be putting your personal information here. Okay, so do not use another person's information. However, this is how you get to print checks online. So you can see I just put in the name of the check. I'm using a company name, then the address. You definitely should put in the zip. I didn't put in the zip though. You can put in your phone number as well. It's optional, but you probably want to include your phone number, the phone number for the account. Then you put in the bank name, the road send, the routing and account number. The routing and account number. So you need to be very careful when putting in the routing and account. It has to be correct. And then ensure the log is live and it's your personal account. No encouraging fraud. Uh, and it's in similar. So here you put in the account number, the routing number, and then you put in the check number. Now I recommend making it a long. Okay, you want to make the number long, especially if you're using a company account. So just make it long, just like I did with mine. You can include two zeros in front or not, but you definitely want to make it long. Yes, then you submit, and then after submitting, you would see a sample of your check. It's a PDF file, by the way. Now, this sample is just the default design on this website. And you can actually edit this. I have a separate tutorial for that later. But you can download this sample check or just print it on your A4 paper right away and endorse it on the back and use it for mobile deposit. It works in most cases because the check looks pretty good. Although you might have to put some more information and some security features, but this is really good and it's free. So this is how you actually, I'm going to download the PDF. I will drop on a separate tutorial on how you can edit this further. But this is how you print checks on A4 paper for free online, basically. So yeah, if you appreciate this tutorial, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like my videos. Okay, so yeah, that's how you basically print checks for free online. You can use this for mobile deposits. I'm gonna repeat. You just need to print on A4 paper and endorse on the back, and